U.S. investors, you need to know how you can save taxes on all your profits legally with the TaxShield Method. It's legal. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's been in front of the United States Supreme Court on 2 separate times, and both times has been favored. You can't get more legal than this. Now, people always ask me, how can I know this is true? It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It comes from England way back when King Henry VIII started the Church of England. That famous king who chopped off his wives' heads. He started the Church of England and went to go tax the lords and ladies of England. They went further back in the history of the Magna Carta and said, oh, no, King Henry VIII, you can't do this. It's contract law that came to the colonies while we were still part of England. Our current tax structure went into effect February of 1913. The super rich families of 1913, the Carnegies, the DuPonts, the Rockefellers, and the Kennedys made sure they could save taxes. Well, if they can save taxes, we can save taxes. So all U.S. investors, listen up. You'll no longer pay taxes on your profits with the beneficial tax shield method. So the 5 taxes you're going to save are going to be capital gains when you sell something at a profit, interest income taxes when you're a passive investor, dividend income taxes if you're in the stock market, rental income taxes if you're a real estate investor, and royalty income taxes if you have talents. My first house in the trust was an auction house. I bought it for $20,000. When it finally went to auction after COVID, it went for $64,346. At 24% tax rate, there's 7 different tax rates and 4 ways to file your taxes. I file single. At 24% tax rate, I saved $10,353 that I put into more real estate. Another one of my clients who had asked his CPA 3 years in a row why he was paying so much interest income taxes because he was doing the BRRRR strategy with 85 houses, he was introduced to me. We are now saving him, this was 3 years ago, we are now saving him $135,000 in interest income taxes he can put into more real estate. Another one of my clients, he inherited his dad's portfolio, 100 shares of the top 100 dividend-paying companies. With his information, he's going to save $61,532 per year or per quarter. Per quarter, it's going to be, I have to look at this, $15,393. If you want to find out more about this, I have a free. You could go to my free class on my website. It's a 23-minute presentation that's emailed to you, and then you can set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. My whole goal is to help as many people as possible save taxes. I used to teach in my real estate group when I lived in Phoenix. I was the first female mastermind there, and now I'm speaking at Money Matters later in May. This is legal. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's been in front of the United States Supreme Court. If you're an investor, stop paying taxes on all your profits legally, keep your information completely private, and all lawsuits become frivolous. So if the renter's dog gets out and bites the mailman or a child, they cannot come after the owner. They can go only after the renter. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Have a beautiful weekend. Take care. Hope you learned something new today. Have a beautiful weekend. Take care.